Hi YouTube. It's now going to be 10 p.m. when this video gets uploaded automatically. This is a big deal. Remember a while ago when the Star Wars launch bay closed and the Disney Junior show and dance party closed? Well, I have some decent news. Where there's going to be some reopenings in that area. So it says here, Disney has set a reopening date for the reimagined Courtyard that's going to be outside the soon-to-be opening experience. That's the concept art. This area is going to be opening. That's going to be open as well. This is already open, but basically there is no opening date yet for the Magic of Disney Animation Building, which is going to house several experiences, which is a drawing experience, a special art gallery, a dedicated theater with a special short film, a playground, and character meet and greets. I look forward to when that reopens and gets a reopening date. But for now, the actual courtyard on the outside, it's going to be the lot-inspired environment, studio lot-inspired environment that Disney has been building to replace the former animation courtyard and the surrounding pathways. It is set to reopen on May 26, 2026. So, yep, sorry. This is a big deal. It's finally about to open to the public, and I cannot wait to see what it's going to be like. I will give a tour when it opens up. I'll find time to head down there, trust me. But until then, that's the only announcement I wanted to make. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, everyone on YouTube. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos. Thank you all for watching. Have a good night, everyone. And tomorrow, we will have more videos up. I'll see you in the next video.